Hi there, this is Nikhil from Greedy Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you the best app switcher for any Android device. It is called as Switcher. So once you open up the switcher, you can find this interface. So let me show you a small demo of how the switcher looks like. These things over the left and right that are glowing are the trigger areas. We can change the trigger areas based on our requirement. So let me show you how it works. Just swipe your finger from any one of the trigger areas like this. So these are the list of apps which I have recently opened, and some of them are pinned apps. I can open any one of them just by selecting and releasing my finger. So it's very simple to use. Let's check out some of the styles. So you have a total of 3 styles. The first thing is called as the flow, the one that I've showed you just now. Let me show it to you once again. Just drag your finger from the edge to switch between any app. Now let me show another style. The next style is slide. Let me show you how it works. Just slide from one of the edge. Now that the app is here, you can either release your finger to open the app like this. So to select any other app, just swipe left, then go back to the right and come back left, and do the same until you get to the required app. So if you want to see all the list of apps, just go to the right and leave your finger. Now you'll get a Windows 8 style list of apps. Choose whatever app you want and the app will be opened. So let's get back to the switcher. So now coming to the third style, we have an arc. Let me show you how it works. So once again, just slide your finger from the edge, from the trigger area. So you get a nice arc over here. You can select whichever app you want and release. So additionally, if you buy the Pro version, you'll have the ability to close the apps from the trigger area. This is the normal app, which is a free version, but still it is packed with a lot of features. So we have other options like started boot, and we can even set up the edges. Setting up the edges is very simple. All you have to do is just select the area where you want to start the edge to create from and just drag. You can even drag to the right to increase the sensitivity area, or to the left to decrease it. Once you are fixed, just remove your finger and that is your trigger area. You can create it both on the left and right. As you can see, I have on the left as well as on the right. Let's come back. Additionally, you have an option to pin some apps. By default, recent apps will be displayed. Additionally, you can pin your own apps. These are some other settings. As you can see, most of the options are disabled because this is a free version. If you want to enable them, you have to buy the paid version. That's it, guys. This is the best app switcher that I know of. Well, there are many other app switchers like this, but this looks pretty cool and very easy to use. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, go ahead and leave a comment below this video. If you found this video to be helpful, please like the video and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to Greedy Tech channel to see more videos just like this.